Hey you guys! Okay, so today we are going to be following a makeup tutorial called the Rainbow Cut Crease Makeup Tutorial by Danielle Claire. And we're going to be using this palette, Take Me Back to Brazil. What it looks like.
I can't see the camera.
Right there. Okay, so yeah, we're going to be using that palette and following a makeup tutorial. So neither one of us know how to do makeup at all. And we're also going to be applying fake eyelashes for the very first time.
She's putting it everywhere. You can see my veins, look, on my eyelid.
That's why you cover them up with concealer. Cute
That
too,
is
but my
so
eyebrows.
light. This is so light. Look how light it looks. Can you see? Look how light it looks.
Open your eye. I feel like I look like a raccoon.
I have a bigger brush. I should just go like that.
You know what it looks like? You know, like when guys have that sunglasses stand, that's what you look like.
What? I can't hear her. Turn it up.
She said it with face powder. You gotta do this here.
Little.
She said a little. Okay, then here.
That's a lot. Like,
Is
you
this
look powdery.
That's how beauty yours. Dang. I
She
look like
used
I
a
got
big brush.
stuff all over
I
me.
can't use a big brush.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah. She used a brush.
I just don't have my big brush over here, so.
All over him. Jaden, I'm supposed to be like, that's what she was doing. It's just like that.
Yeah.
So first, we're going to be using this one. Can you see?
A fluffy
I don't
brush. Ow.
This one.
We gotta figure out what brush you. Ow. You keep stabbing me. So you use a brush like this, I think.
Is this fluffy?
Yeah. Cute.
I want to do the little tap thing. They're like, that's what they do.
Here, all the way down
I
here.
don't know what I'm doing.
Like, it's just like.
I
it
look
just
like a
stopped.
clown.
It's supposed to go like that. Okay.
Okay.
Let's be looking cute, you guys. This is itching. This doesn't look bad from far.
Okay, and now that I've got those colors on there, I'm going to go ahead and cut about half.
I don't think I'm doing this right. That does not look right. It looks white. Unless I need to put more.
You need to put more. Use mine.
I'm scared of him. We'll just go.
This is so itchy, you guys. What's after the blue?
The blue, light blue, and then the green again. You're going over it again.
Let me see. I got it. Look. My eyes are watering.
Let me see.
You can't watch me.
I don't even have no lashes underneath.
Take off your glasses. Let me see. Yeah, you do.
Barely.
I see them.
My under things are like big. What are they called? Under circles? Look. You can't even see the blue.
Nice.
It's
This is
itchy
so
right here.
itchy.
I just want to go like,
Yeah, you know. You're not supposed to touch it. How do people wear makeup? Like it not scratch their eye or something.
because they don't get itchy. What is she using? I look like a rock star. You gotta hide my face. Rock star.
This is lip gloss or something. eyeshadow. We got the wrong thing. Okay, so we're gonna have to use this because we got the wrong gold thing. I mean, it's still gold glitter, but let me see. Polish. Oh my gosh, that is a thick line. Show the camera.
You can't see
Let me see if you can see it in the camera. Oh yeah, you can. In the
But when
camera.
it close eye.
The other eye's gonna be harder. I feel like.
Yeah.
You're right-handed.
Oh my goodness. Then for liquid lipstick, the top
Eyeliner. We're about to mess it up.
Here, you can do it first.
I'm gonna do it.
Why is there 2 different kinds on the picture? I want the orange kind. Those aren't good.
I like it.
They're not normal cheeses.
Parmesan and cheddar. This is about to mess up the whole eye. Stop looking at me.
I'm not even looking.
I thought you were.
Oh my god. I was looking at myself and you're like, stop looking at me.
I think I did it. Look. Yeah. Okay, I'm done. Your turn.
How do I do this? I don't know how to grab this. I'm like,
That's yours now.
what's yours?
What?
What? You said that's yours now.
Gushers now.
You said that's yours.
I said gushers now.
Okay, Jaden.
Let me see.
I was shaking. Look, you can tell at the top. Here, I'm done. I don't want this. It stresses me out. It's not even straight. It's like.
Okay, next one. She uses this yellow right here, Natasha. This bright yellow.
That's bright.
Yeah.
Oh, you have all that space.
Okay, now I need to darken this. Just blend in.
Yeah, look.
Yours looks better.
Were we supposed to go all the way to eyebrows? Because that's what I'm doing.
Let me see. Close your eyes. You're in your eyebrows. I'm pretty close, but I'm not in my eyebrows.
Oh, well, we can fix
I
it.
didn't notice it till now.
I was just asking. See? My eyebrows are messed up, so you don't know where my eyebrows actually are.
She's going fast. Can you scooch?
I'm right here. Look. You need to scooch your chair.
This one's so ugly.
I don't like it.
This eye looks so much better.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm about to go in with the.
That's because you don't like.
I don't like what.
That's because you don't like yellow. Maybe that's why you don't like it, because you don't like yellow.
I don't know why. It just looks ugly to me.
Oh, you got it all on the lid. How could I take it off? I'm just gonna wipe it. It's not even coming off. This is ridiculous.
It's getting ridiculous. It's really ridiculous. Yes, man. This is ridiculous, man. Ridiculous.
Like this. I can't do it with this hand either.
I like this. No, no, no. Don't use your left hand.
I'm just gonna go for it. I don't care
Yeah,
anymore.
just go for it. You can use the flower ones. I'll use the glitter.
Look.
Why'd you get a dot all the way up?
I accidentally moved.
Cover it up with
How?
eyeshadow.
I don't know what it screaming?
My brother. This looks good.
This one turned out better than this one. Yeah,
I know, like if you just like show this, super cute. Like we look like professional.
like. I don't like this. I'm like, what about Pokemon? I'm like, oh yay, that's what we want. So those are the ones we got.
This is our first time putting on eyelashes. We don't know how. Like I don't know.
Yeah.
Let's just not watch the video. That could be a challenge for us. Okay. Yeah. So here we go, you guys.
Which one's my right or my left? Does it matter?
I don't think so.
What is all this?
What? Let me see.
What is that from? From what came off the eyelash? Probably.
That's from your eye.
Oh. 30. I don't know how to put them on, Jan.
What are you doing? How do I see?
I don't know how to put these on. The glue's getting everywhere.
It's on. I feel like.
Oh, it's smoking me.
Oh, it's not. It's falling off. I gotta.
I can see it. I can't see it. I feel like they're heavy.
This is a lightweight one. Mine just fell off. I'm getting this eyelash glue everywhere.
Hey, do you have scissors? Do you have scissors? I
No.
feel like I can't see. These are so heavy.
Scissors.
Do you have tiny scissors I can borrow?
No.
Look. I feel like they're not staying.
I took off all the eyeliner. How are we supposed to wear these to prom?
I don't know, but these are heavy.
They look so good on you.
They're so-
They look so good.
I feel like I can't see. I feel like
I know, like my eye.
it's like covering half my eye. And we should have to put mascara on these? Alright. The next eyebrow. I mean eyelash. And there's people who wear long ones.
I feel like my eye, like I can't.
it's watery. My eye's watery. Yours look good.
So are yours.
I can't get the top part to like stay.
It's on there.
I feel like it's not.
I'm scared to take it off.
What if it rips my eyelashes off?
I just ripped the eyelash. Is mine falling off?
No. Oh my gosh.
I'm pretty sure it is. This looks so good. I don't want to get mascara on the eyelashes. Should we even put on mascara? I don't want to. I think they look good. Should we? Hello?
This is ridiculous.
This looks so good.
Try curling them more.
What do you mean curling them?
Like put mascara on them to see how long can they get.
Pretty sure
I got it.
I'm pretty sure I glued this eye onto my eyelashes instead of my eye.
I don't know. I can't see. I think I glued them wrong. Here, look. I think I got glue on my eyelid.
Dang, that looks so good!
Without no
Dang, it looks so good. We should start doing makeup tutorials. Like, we're professionals now. Look at this.
I know. Ooh. Thanks for coming, you guys.
That's it. Okay, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Alright, bye guys.
Bye!